I found these sitting on the side of the driveway by the railroad tracks on the north end. They pulled all the rail out here. They used to have pieces of rail in here, but they brought these ties in. They're gonna work on something around here, y'all. Alright, thank you. Alright, we got SCWH train stopped in Abbeville. I'm fixing to squawk up to the head end and see what's up. They might be refueling this one, I don't know. I caught them doing that the other day. Alright, as soon as it's getting dark, I'm going to cut my camera off. I'll talk to you in a little bit. I'm up here at the engine. They got bags on the ground. I assume we're having a crew change, so it looks like they're going to leave the train sitting here, even hanging out on the main line. Nothing's going to be able to come through Abbeville, so maybe they got a crew coming in and they're going to pick this one up. I'm not sure. I'll let y'all know when I find out something. Alright, thank y'all. Alright, we got the taxi here. We got the outbound crew coming in, loading up. And we got the inbound crew getting off. They said this is 3/22/08 or something like that. Alright, I gotta go. I got a phone call I gotta answer. Alright, thank you. Alright, they're still loading up, y'all. Hard to see anything in the dark, but I can see. Got the conductor getting up now. Everybody getting on the train. I'll take it to Atlanta. Alright, thank y'all. And the taxi's gone. They were so noisy I didn't hear them even close the door. Alright, the conductor told me bye. He told me take care of myself. He's going on up, get up in the cab. You might be able to see him through the window a little bit. Engineer on the left. Conductor getting up there. He's in the center. He'll be going to the right. He's got two chairs over there on the right. He'll be sitting down. They'll be rolling in a little bit, y'all. Alright. Alright, I was in Newberry all day today. I heard one train go through, so that's a train coming out of Columbia going to Greenwood, or coming out of Greenwood going to Columbia. Might have been one of the auto rack ones. I think the train, it wouldn't be one going to Hammond, because I think Hammond already cut off before the track gets to Newberry. I had to look that up, I'm not sure. Alright, thank y'all. Alright y'all, who's taking off? They said they had an SD-70 on the bottom end, but it was taken off the train. They were going to get the second locomotive, but they decided to leave it in case they need it. They do have some powerful hills around here, so. And they take care of this train. You notice how quiet it is? I hear one flat spot right there, but that's not a big one. I think he's supposed to be going 10 miles an hour because once you go past the signal and you stop, you can't go track speed. You gotta go 10 till you get to the next signal. But he's probably making sure this one gets to the top of the hill before he reduces speed on it, y'all. Can't see nothing much down there. You can't even see the little red signal. This phone just ain't picking it up. Let me see, maybe I didn't shine it right place, but I don't see it down there nowhere. Another beautiful day. I've been working all day. This is my first train. And believe me, when I pulled up and stopped, I got a phone call. I got somebody down there by the bridge that lives down there, and they called me up, let me know a train stopped. And I let them know I was already down there filming a cruise train. So the inbound crew brought it over here and got off, took the taxi back to Greenwood. The same taxi brought the outbound crew to get on the train. So they're taking it to Atlanta, and the other guys are going back home to Greenwood. It's time for them to go home and get something to eat, talk to the wife and the kids and stuff. Another flat spot, Mr. Skin, that was written on that one. Little graffiti artist. I guess they try and keep us from getting bored because the cars don't have much writing on them. And at this speed it's hard to read it, and it's just darkness anyway. I hear him blowing at Red Street, so he's a mile away. And we still got train down there, so he's probably a mile and a half long or something like that. I don't see the bottom end anywhere. This is an empty coal train. He's going to Atlanta. Then turn around and head up Tennessee, and the train gets on Norfolk Southern right away, and he ends up in Pennsylvania to pick his coal up. How do I know? I filmed them up there. I got a little bit, about 5 seconds of them or whatever. They were heading south back to Appleton when I filmed them. All right, bottom end right here. EOT on the bottom end. All right, he's outside. All right, love y'all. God bless y'all. Hope you have fun. Thank you.